Hi guys. So you guys obviously know that I go on YouTube searching for squishes, and then those ideas were so boring. So I decided to make my one and only phone, which is in Samsung, which I'm using now. So this squishy means a lot to me, and if it gets damaged, you see, it's a Samsung. I'm not sure if I'll show, but yeah, Samsung. And look like, so guys, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, it doesn't have any air. It's sheeted closed. You know. Ting. So, guys, thank you for watching my video and please subscribe. Bye.